Hi, I'm back at you from 99 Workouts Season 3. जैसे आप लोगों को पता है कि मैं हर एक एपिसोड में किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ, स्पेशली मेल या फीमेल, जो मैं रिवील नहीं करता हूँ शुरू में, क्योंकि बहुत ज़रूरी है कि थोड़ा एंग्जाइटी और एक्साइटमेंट बना रहे. That's the reason why I have their face hidden initially and then reveal who the person is, so that you keep guessing what is really happening and who's the next guest. So आज मैं एक बहुत ही पता नहीं वर्कशॉप जैसा लग रहा है, तो मुझे पता करना पड़ेगा कि ये एक्चुअली है क्या. आप लोग को भी मैं बताना चाहूँगा, लेकिन इसके पहले आज की हमारी जो गेस्ट है अभी 1 मिनट में, शायद उससे भी कम टाइम में ज्वाइन करने आ रही है. रुचा, प्लीज वॉक इन. I mean, just look at her. I mean, who wouldn't want to come here? So Rucha is the owner of our Pilates studio, which is at Prabhat Road in Pune. Rucha, I don't know, I just walked in and this energy here is so awesome. But ये जो machines यहाँ रखे हैं, ये कुछ मुझे technical workshop इसके कहीं है क्या actually? What is this?
This is a hardcore Pilates studio, so every single equipment here is a Pilates. It's like a Pilates gym. So whatever's there in the Pilates world is here in the studio now. This is called the Reformer. This is the Cadillac. There is a Coraline. There is a combo chair. There are spine correctors.
Wow.
A lot of equipment.
So tell me something. Is it for general people or is it like a rehab center? कैसा है? What is
It's
this?
for everybody. We have dancers. We have normal sportsmen. We have people just coming for fitness. We have models. We have everyone. We have people we have senior citizens. We have rehab patients sent by different orthopedicians. So it's literally for everyone.
As far as I know, Rucha, the thing is, I believe you were with airlines before,
Yes.
and then all the way, I mean, because of your passion, or you attended some workshops somewhere. What is the journey like? How did it all come to here?
It's amazing. I've said this. So it's I always say that it's never too late to start a new career. So I used to fly for British Airways, flew for good 10 years, and then I had my son, so he needed me to be around him more, and that's when I actually also discovered Pilates in London. And I fell in love with the method, and there was a lot of Pilates going on in Bombay, and I said, no, this is something I want to bring to Pune.
Okay.
So I got certified. At first I signed up with American College of Sports Medicine, ACSM.
Right.
You know it. So after that, then one by one Pilates certifications, and this
Tell me
is
something, Rucha. How is it different from yoga? Because yoga is so popular.
Yoga is isometric. You hold a position in yoga mostly.
Right.
Pilates is all about movement. It's isotonic. You
Okay.
move everything, and we work with resistance. Of course, there is mat Pilates too, but we work with equipment. And Pilates is a whole different philosophy. Well, there are a few elements which are similar for both,
Right.
but it's nothing like yoga. It's completely different.
Yeah, I see a lot of these celebrities, posting videos and things like that using these equipments. Do you need to have an equipment to do Pilates? How does that?
No, you don't need to have equipment for Pilates. You can do mat Pilates also,
Okay.
but equipment is obviously a step higher. It's a better feedback. It's resistance, because we use springs on our equipment, and springs is resistance. So it's a full hardcore workout.
Okay.
So
So you're watching 99 Workouts Season 3 with a beautiful guest today, Rucha, who runs this studio in Pune, as I mentioned before. हम पता करेंगे रुचा से, क्योंकि ये कुछ मेरे लिए भी नया है. मैं नया नहीं बोलूँगा, बट ये पूरी सेटअप जो है इतने इक्विपमेंट्स के साथ. So tell me something, Rucha, what age group generally are allowed to do this kind of workout?
everyone. Well, we have a 13 years old, and we have a 75 years old too.
Okay.
So Pilates is literally for everyone.
Okay. So, is it generally meant for rehab, recovery, or general fitness
No,
also?
we do have a lot of we do a lot of rehabs here on our equipment, because it's fantastic. Reformer is a best tool to work with any rehab client, but we do Pilates for fitness also. Like I said, we have people from every field coming over here.
Okay.
And
This might sound a little bit controversial, but it was in my head. I see a lot of posts happening. हम देखते हैं कि celebrities Pilates कर रही हैं, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, and they make those high definition videos, something like that. Tell me something. One myth which is about this Pilates, which you people generally keep on asking you.
Is Pilates only for girls? That is the biggest myth. It's for
Okay.
everyone.
And what would be your answer to this?
I would say that the most amazing sportsmen world over, Cristiano Ronaldo or Andy Murray or David Beckham, they all have their own reformer studios, reformers in their gyms. So it's for everyone. A man has a core the way the
Right.
woman has a core, right? So it's for everyone. And until a man walks in the studio and gets onto a reformer, he doesn't realize how difficult it is to do slow movements, to work slow, to understand your body. So
Right.
it's for everyone, it's not just for girls.
At this moment, we'll just switch sides so that we get the feel of these equipment as well. Lucia, would you like to come on this side? Yeah, and you can see her profile also. Like she's a ballet dancer, and of course मैं दिखाना चाहता था कि ये सारे जो equipments हैं अलग-अलग टाइप के हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे आगे भी और भी हैं जो मैं दिखाना चाहूँगा बाद में. Tell me something. What are these two different equipments like? They look different in
Yeah,
size.
so this is a reformer
Right.
and this is a trapeze table, reformer conversion. So this becomes a proper table. So people actually hang here and you can
Oh,
see
wow.
lots of attachments.
So what kind of load can it take? Like
It
a
can
person like
take,
me can.
of course, we have like really big men coming here also.
Okay.
But next time we meet here, you should bring your workout clothes so I
Oh,
can
sure,
do a
okay.
proper workout.
मैं next time जरूर आऊँगा यहाँ पे. I need to try this.
We'll be hanging upside
I
down.
don't know about you have a place for ballet also.
Yes, sir. Yes, we
So
do.
why is this so much of Western influence? Like
Not
ballet?
Western influence.
Come in also.
But unfortunately, I don't know whether fortunately or unfortunately, but Pilates is something that originated. Joseph Pilates was a German, but his technique became more popular
Right.
in the US of A. So all the Americans, the ballerinas, they started doing Pilates, and that's how there's a lot of ballet connected with Pilates. Also, there's something called as barre, BARRE,
Okay.
which I'm a faculty for.
Okay.
It has elements of ballet, some Pilates, some yoga. It's done on the ballet bar.
Okay.
So because ballet is so much a part of it, and I personally absolutely love ballet. So that's why, and we have classes starting here soon for ballet too.
Okay.
So yes,
So,
that's my workout.
Wow. So tell me, of course, Pilates has been popular all the while, and now, of course, we see so many Instagram videos on. एक question है, maybe it sounds a little bit fake, or maybe it's in the sense that it's controversial. I see all these fantastic videos coming in of a lot of people, okay? And what is that one myth people have when it comes to Pilates? Do you,
Oh, there's so many myths,
Okay.
so many. But one biggest to say over here would be that Pilates is for girls. It's
Is it?
it's
Oh, wow.
a complete myth. I mean,
Okay.
come on, men need it as much as women need
Okay.
it. So
तो आपने सुना ये सवाल जो मैंने पूछा था इसका जवाब यह था कि एक मिथ जो है कि ये सिर्फ औरतों के लिए है, लेकिन men cannot do this. ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था. मैं तो ये सोच के भी नहीं आया था, and I'm very surprised कि people feel that this is only for
yes.
women. So what would you like to say in this? I mean, how would you like to tempt men coming? Of course, by looking at you, I will storm. What would be the
we don't
technical
want,
reason
we
of
don't want those men.
men coming in to do Pilates?
To begin with, they should just check fitness routines of some most fit men in the world.
Right.
Like I said, David Beckham, Cristiano Ronaldo, or Andy Murray, or
Yeah.
all these sportsmen.
Right.
Even James Bond, Pierce Brosnan has his own setup.
Right.
So they all do it. Then obviously there are many to name. I have Kedar Jadhav come here.
Okay.
He's our member.
Okay.
So see, the thing is, men have a core, men have shoulders and hip, and they have much broader structure than us. So they need mobility more than us. They
Yeah.
need core strengthening. So I mean, every possible reason. Of course, men like to lift. They like to do heavy lifting.
Right.
Over here, they slow down a little. They work on mobility, flexibility. You know, you're a fitness expert. You know how important all these elements are.
Right.
Just bulking up is not going to help you.
Right.
And at some point, everybody has an injury.
Right.
And then they come here. Because they realize they need to go slow, they work more, they need to get more awareness in their bodies. And they're most welcome when they want to work like that.
So tell me something. Does it also help you because you are into ballet dancing, which is also a very unique form. Where, you know,
Yeah.
there's so much of grace, music involved. Does Pilates help you in ballet as well?
Yes, of course. In fact, we have a few classes, few repertoires designed for ballerinas, not just ballerinas, even classical dancers. I'm going to be doing an online thing with a Bharatanatyam dancer who's doing a PhD. Because, see, in ballet or in a classical form, you're always standing in a turnout.
Right.
In a turnout. So obviously, that's not natural.
Right.
There's so many injuries that will happen because of that. Dancers, I mean, the Bharatanatyam as they keep bending and you know how many
Right.
injuries can happen in that form.
Right.
So what we do here is we work on, that's what we call functional, right? We
Right.
work on their movement patterns over here on the equipment with resistance.
Right.
So we strengthen that particular movement pattern knowing that this is what this person does 100 times in a day. And we
Right.
need to strengthen these muscles to keep her going. So ultimately it's a human body. It's anything that is not its normal, like out of the routine, it's
Right.
going to give you trouble after some time.
Wow. So much to learn, and of course, the studio is packed. As I have come to know, this
Yes.
shifted to a new venue on Prabhat Road itself. Of course, I will be giving all the information along with this video. My last question to you, Rucha, especially is we are now off kind of the pandemic. You know, we are back to the
Yes.
normal routine.
Gone.
Offline has come back. Like, so what is that one message which you would like to convey to people who are still thinking or wanting to? Because see, pandemic created a lot of awareness for health and fitness, and
Yes.
people realize that immunity is very low and they need to do something about it. But what I notice is people just follow a lot of YouTube videos and things like that. Isn't this to be done by certified people who need to guide you properly? So what is that one message you would like to share
Do you mean to the instructors or?
to everyone who's watching today?
Oh, I think for the trainers, for the instructors, see you're dealing with a human body, so please make sure that you don't watch YouTube and then teach.
Right.
You need to really know your stuff. I'm not even saying that you need to know anatomy or anything like too much in detail, but if you are teaching Pilates, make sure you're certified.
Right.
Teach, and we have so many master instructors here in India that you can definitely get a slot somewhere and get educated. So definitely, and even for clients, for normal people, definitely do check your instructor's qualifications before you sign into a course, because it takes 1 second to have an injury.
Right.
And so also here, every single instructor here in our studio is Balanced Body Comprehensive certified. So that is one thing I don't think we should compromise on. So
Thank you so much, Rucha, for this information.
thank you so much.
And as she rightly said that sports injuries are very common, rehab and recovery is very, very important, and that too under guidance of people like Rucha who are passionate about what they're doing. That's very, very important. That of course everything is a business at the end of the day, but if you're not passionate about what you're doing and you don't involve yourself, there's no point in really marketing or doing anything. This is not a marketing gimmick or anything.
No.
Today I had Rucha to feature on 99 Workouts
Okay.
because all the people who feature on 99 Workouts, if you go on their YouTube or if you go on their Instagram social media posts, you'll always see them posting something positive. And that is what we are trying to convey through 99 Workouts. So thank you so much for this beautiful moment I had to understand what these equipments are.
I'm honored to have you. You're so passionate yourself. I just have one thing to say
Yes,
to
please.
people, especially to the budding Pilates instructors, entrepreneurs, studio owners. Don't focus on making profits. Focus on making a difference. Then profits will follow.
Wow.
So it's just something I would really, really like you all to think about. Don't think in terms of money. Think in terms of how can I be different? How can I make a difference to somebody in their life? And then then profits have to follow.
Of course.
It's like that.
So please keep on watching 99 Workouts because each and every guest on this whole platform has got a unique talent to share with. Thank you so much.
That's because he is so amazing. He attracts the positive.
Keep watching 99 Workouts because the next guest is going to be equally interesting and special. Thank you so much.
Complete.